In this video, I'll show you how to build a document management system in Notion, how to organize it properly, and what to include so it stays easy to search, maintain, and scale over time. The best way to build this in Notion is to use a database-based docs hub instead of a bunch of loose pages. Notion's Help Center explains that databases are structured collections of pages, which makes them ideal for organizing documents with properties, views, filters, and templates. So start by creating a new database for your documents. Each row will be one document page. Then add the most useful properties like document type, team, owner, status, last updated, and tags. Notion's database system is built around properties, and its relations guide also shows how properties can connect databases together when you want a more advanced system later. Next, make the system easier to browse by creating multiple views. For example, you can have an All Docs view, a By Team view, a Policies view, a Templates view, and a Recently Updated view. Notion says the same database can be shown in different views with filters and sorts, which is one of the biggest advantages of storing documents in a database instead of separate folders of pages. Now add templates, so every new document starts with the right structure. Notion's Database Templates Guide says you can create templates from the drop-down next to New, and then reuse them for different document types. That means you can make separate templates for things like meeting notes, SOPs, policies, proposals, or project documents. If you want a stronger knowledge-based setup, turn the Docs Hub into a wiki-style system. Notion's Wiki Guidance says wikis help teams organize and verify information. And on business or enterprise plans, you can add verification so important pages show that they're trusted and current. Notion also says verified pages can have owners, which helps keep documentation from going stale. Another smart move is to control access carefully. Notion's Permissions Guide explains that you can share work with different permission levels, and its Database Permissions Guide highlights can edit content, which lets people edit document content without changing the database structure itself. That's very useful for a document management system because it helps prevent accidental damage to views, filters, and properties. If your documents relate to projects, teams, or clients, connect them with relations and rollups. Notion says relation properties connect items across databases, so you can link documents to a project's database, client's database, or team database. That makes the system much more useful than a simple file cabinet. For larger workspaces, you can also extend search with Notion AI connectors. Notion says AI connectors on business or enterprise plans can pull in knowledge from third-party apps like Google Drive, so your document system can work alongside files that live outside Notion too. So the smart setup is this: build one main docs database, organize it with properties and filtered views, create templates for repeatable document types, assign owners, control permissions, and connect related databases where needed. That gives you a real document management system instead of just a pile of pages. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.